Rapid conversion of agricultural land into residential colonies, commercial buildings, orchards, and other non-farm uses has severely impacted Kashmir's food security. Official data shows the valley has lost nearly 34,000 hectares of cultivable land between 1996 and 2023, increasing its dependence on rice and food grains sourced from outside Jammu and Kashmir. The Trump administration has announced $12 billion in one-time financial assistance for US farmers affected by what it called unfair market disruptions. Of this, up to $11 billion will be allocated under the Farmer Bridge Assistance Program, covering a wide range of crops including corn, wheat, rice, soybeans, cotton, oilseeds, pulses, and cereals. India's sugarcane production has shown strong growth over the last 5 years, increasing from 4,054 lakh tons in 2020-21 to 4,546 lakh tons in 2024 and 25. This marks an overall rise of 492 lakh tons despite a marginal dip during the 2023 and 24 season. Farmers' body Karnataka Pranta Rayata Sangh has accused the Siddhashiri sugar factory in Kalburgi district of cheating farmers by allegedly manipulating sugar cane weight measurements. The allegations have sparked protest and renewed demands for transparency and strict monitoring in sugar procurement. Russian oil exports dropped by 4,22,000 barrels per day in November as traders grew cautious amid tightening US sanctions. Oil revenues fell to $11 billion, down $3.6 billion year on year, while Urals crude prices hit their lowest level since February 2022. Arhar dal prices have come under pressure due to cheaper imports and weak domestic demand. Even as fresh arrivals from the new crop increase in Maharashtra and Karnataka, prices are currently ruling between 6,700 and 7,700 per quintal, well below the MSP of 8,000, causing concern among farmers. Indonesia's state food logistic agency Bulog has begun pre-positioning up to 50 tons of rice at airports and seaports across Sumatra, as well as at Jakarta's Halim Perdana Kusuma Airport to speed up food aid deliveries to disaster-hit areas. Regional Bulog units have been instructed to maintain emergency rice stock ranging from 20 to 50 tons at all airports and ports located in disaster-prone regions. The central government has announced an increase in the minimum support price of copra for the 2026 season. The MSP for milling copra has been raised by 445 to 12,027 rupees per quintal. The MSP for milling copra has been raised by rupees 445 to 12,027 rupee per quintal, while ball copra MSP has increased by rupees 400 to 12,500 rupee per quintal, aiming to boost farmer incomes and support growing demand on coconut-based products. Uttar Pradesh has witnessed a sharp surge in agricultural growth, nearly doubling from 8.6% before 2017 to 17.7%. This transformation has been driven by multi-crop farming, drip irrigation, improved soil health management, and farmer-centric reforms that blend traditional practices with modern technology. A dense blanket of toxic smog continues to cover Delhi and the NCR, with air quality remaining in the severe category. The air quality index stood at 456 on Monday morning, according to CPCB data, marking the second worst AQI of the season, disrupting flights, trains, and daily life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Commodity Today for your daily dose of agri-market news. Until then, stay productive, stay informed, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.